Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Wizz app. So if you have violated any of the rules and regulation, terms and condition of Wizz app, you got banned from this app, right? So if they have banned you, that means that you have violated the rules and regulation, right? So the only thing you can do to get unbanned from the Wizz app, that you have to install a VPN. So for example, you can install any of the VPN. The free VPN is available on the Play Store and App Store, and after that, after connecting to the VPN, you have to open the Wizz app and you have to make a new ID, right? This is the only option that is available, right? So after using the VPN, just make sure that you use a new ID. You can open the ID with your Google, or you can also open the ID with a phone number, right? So this is the only way. So this is it guys. I hope you found this solution for this issue, and if you did, like this video, comment down below and make sure to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.